Hey guys, so welcome to this video. So in this video, you are going to discover how to make up to $500 per month with free traffic, free tools and free methods. Okay, so in this class, you are going to learn 4 steps to make up to $500 with free traffic, free tools and free methods. Okay, and you are going to learn how to make $500 per month with free traffic, free tools and free methods. And guys, like, you don't have to spend like 5 hours every day to make this $500. Okay, you can like spend maybe 30 minutes a day and make $500 with free traffic, free tools and free methods. Okay, so the 4 steps that I'll be teaching you will only take you maybe like 30 minutes per day to do. Okay, now after teaching you about these 4 steps, then live in this class I will do these 4 steps in front of you so that you can see me doing these steps. Okay, and after that I will teach you a shortcut to do these 4 steps so that you can start making up to $500 per month on autopilot. Okay, so guys, how to make up to $500 per month with free traffic, free tools and free methods. So step 1, choose a profitable affiliate offer from clickbank.com. A profitable affiliate offer from clickbank.com. So guys, do you know what is Clickbank? Like, Clickbank is like an affiliate marketplace where people who have created different products will come to Clickbank, put their products in this Clickbank marketplace, and after that, I guess the internet is refreshing, never mind. So anyway, like, Clickbank is like an affiliate marketplace, and people who have created various products will come to clickbank.com. They will put their products in Clickbank marketplace, and like people like us who are affiliate marketers, we can come to Clickbank, find these products and start promoting these products. And when we promote these products and get sales, what happens is like we will be paid a commission for the sale. Okay, so the idea of affiliate marketing is like you promote somebody else's products, and when you make sales you get commission. Now Clickbank is like a website, or it's like a affiliate marketplace where you can find products to promote and you can get commissions for the sales you make. Okay, so if you already have a Clickbank account, then just log into your Clickbank account. If you don't already have a Clickbank account, then sign up. Like, it's free to sign up for a Clickbank account. Okay, so okay, then I'm going to give you 2 quick tips, okay, which will help you find highly profitable affiliate offers. I don't want you to work so hard and make little bit money, but I want you to make like $500 with just 30 minutes of work. Okay, so if you want to reach your goals with just 30 minutes of work, then you need to find a highly profitable affiliate offer. So use the 2 tips that I'm going to share with you now to find profitable affiliate offers from Clickbank. Okay, so the first tip is, guys, there is something called gravity score. Okay, so Clickbank uses something called gravity score. So basically, like, when you log into your Clickbank account, after you click on the marketplace link, and after you have chosen which niche, okay, affiliate offer you want to promote, Clickbank will show you a list of different affiliate offers in that niche. Okay, maybe you have chosen weight loss niche affiliate offers. So Clickbank will show you a list of affiliate offers which are in the weight loss industry or niche. Okay, so after that, towards the maybe a bit down each affiliate offers listing, there is something called gravity score. So basically, gravity score is like Clickbank is telling you how converting each offer is. So higher the gravity score, what that means is like this affiliate offer has a very converting sales page or sales video, and because of this, many people who come to the sales page of this affiliate offer is ending up buying the product. Okay, So ClickBank is just telling you, like, for the other ClickBank affiliate offers, sorry. Yeah. So for other ClickBank affiliate marketers, when they promote this product, it's getting a lot of sales. Okay, that's what high gravity means. Now, if the gravity score is less, then what that means is like the offer that you're seeing in ClickBank is not converting enough. Okay, so I would recommend you to promote an ClickBank affiliate offer with a gravity score of about at least 70 or above. Okay, 70 or above. And if the affiliate offer you find in ClickBank has a gravity score less than 70, then this offer can also be profitable. But to be honest, I would recommend you to find a more converting affiliate offer, because there are a lot of affiliate offers which have a gravity score of 70 or above if you look for it. Okay, so the first tip is, when you look for an affiliate offer in ClickBank, find or choose an affiliate offer which has a high gravity score. Okay, so when I do this step in front of you right now, or maybe in a few minutes from now, you can see me looking and finding the gravity score, things like that. Okay, all right. Now guys, like, the second tip that I want to share with you is, like, choose an affiliate offer with an average dollar per sale of at least $70. So what I mean is, like, we all know, right? Like, if we promote a $1 offer, then because the customers only have to spend just $1, naturally our conversion rate will be higher, right? When we compare to promoting, let's say, $1,000 product. So because of this reason, some products could have a high gravity score. That is because the product costs only $1. So because of this, the conversion rate is higher. And if you choose that kind of high gravity score affiliate offer, then the problem is, let's say you get 70% commission rate. So you got a $1 sale, and for each sale, you are making like 70 cents. Okay, so from, even if you get like 10 sales from 100 visitors, which is really amazing, but still you're only making 70 cents per sale, right? So gravity score high is good, but you're only making 70 cents per sale. So you will make like $7 from after 100 people visiting your page or affiliate offer that you're promoting. So we have to be careful. Like, gravity score high is good, but it shouldn't be because the offer only costs $1 or $2, something like that. But it should be because the sales page is hyper converting. Okay, so the second tip that I want to share with you is, like, when you choose a high gravity score affiliate offer, make sure the average dollar per sale of the affiliate offer is at least $70. So what that means is, like, in the ClickBank marketplace, they will show for each affiliate offer, like, when other ClickBank affiliate marketers promoted this offer, maybe in the last 30 days or 90 days or something like that, ClickBank is tracking that for each sale an affiliate marketer in ClickBank got from this affiliate offer, that person made $70, $90, $100, like that. So when you promote an affiliate offer which have a high conversion rate, that is high gravity score, and will make you $70 per conversion, what that means is, like, a lot of conversions, and each conversion is not making you like 70 cents, but making you $70. So what that means is, like, you will make insane profits, and you will be much more easily and quickly be able to go from start to $500 per month much quickly. Like, I'm going to share with you a free traffic method, right? So if you want to reach that $500 mark, then you need to promote an offer like this, which will convert very quickly, even with free traffic. So a high gravity score affiliate offer, and you don't have to get like hundreds of sales, right? Like, to make $500, you just need, if you'll make $70 per conversion on average, then you need like 7 or 8 sales in a month, okay, to reach the target. Okay, so the first step that I want to share with you is choose a hyper profitable affiliate offer from clickbank.com. Now guys, now let me do step 1 in front of you so that you can see me doing step 1, and you can also do with me while I'm doing. Okay, so okay, here, so if you don't have a ClickBank account, just go to clickbank.com and create a free account. Okay, if you already have a ClickBank account, then just log into your ClickBank account. Then after that, click on the marketplace link here. Then choose which niche, okay, or industry affiliate offer you want to promote. Do you want to promote an affiliate offer about e-business and e-marketing? Maybe you want to promote an affiliate offer about health and fitness. Maybe it's self-help. Okay, so here's a quick tip. Like, I recommend you to choose either self-help industry, parenting and families, health and fitness, or e-business. Okay, so these are the industries which have the best affiliate offers. So if you want fast cash, then I recommend you to use this quick tip and choose an affiliate offer from health and fitness, e-business, this one, then parenting and families, and self-help as well. Okay, so for this example, let's say we chose health and fitness. So let's say in this example, I'm looking for an affiliate offer in clickbank.com which is about health and fitness. Affiliate offers, right? Here's another quick tip. You see the sort results by, so here click on this one and choose gravity. Okay, so when you do this, you can see here processing. What this means is like, when we click on health and fitness here, ClickBank will show you a list of affiliate offers which are in health and fitness industry, right? Now when you choose sort results by gravity, what happens is like ClickBank will arrange these health and fitness affiliate offers in the order highest gravity score to the lowest gravity score. So when you choose gravity here, instantly this list will show you the most converting affiliate offer in this industry. Okay, so the first one is advertisement, as you can see, but the second one, so let's see, this one has a gravity score of 487.26. okay, so this is where gravity is shown. So in the slide I taught you, like, an affiliate offer which gets at least 70 or above gravity score is pretty profitable. Okay, now this affiliate offer has a gravity score of 487.26. so what that means is, if you choose this affiliate offer, then you will get an insane conversion rate. Okay, with even with free traffic methods that I'm going to share with you, you will get a ton of sales. Okay, so the gravity score is 487. Okay, now as I already mentioned, since this is arranged in the highest gravity score order, this is the most converting affiliate offer at this moment in health and fitness industry in ClickBank. Now the second most is this one. You can see has a gravity score of 419, 378, so and so. So the first tip that I told you, if you want to find a profitable affiliate offer, is like, look for an affiliate offer which have a gravity score of at least 70. So this one has a gravity score of 487.26. So you can choose this affiliate offer. Now I also told you, like, you have to make sure the average dollar per sale is at least $70, right? So here you can see average dollar per conversion is $133.29. So what this means is like, ClickBank is telling you, when other affiliate marketers of ClickBank promoted this offer from here, for each sale they got, the affiliate marketers on average made $133.29. So what this means is like, not only this affiliate offer is converting at a very high rate, but each conversion will make you $133.29. Okay, so to make $500, you need like 4 or 5 sales in an entire month. Okay, so just imagine, like, already this offer is hyper converting. Okay, gravity score of 487.26, and each sale will make you on average $133.29. so in a month, if you can get like 4 or 5 sales, then you will make $500 per month with free traffic, free tools, and free methods. Okay, so the first step, find an affiliate offer which have a high gravity score and which will make you at least $70 per sale. So done. Step 1 done. Okay, now let's talk about step 2. Step 2. Now find a keyword which is relevant to the affiliate offer you are promoting and have low competition. Okay, so what is a keyword? Keyword are like sentences that people search in Google. Okay, For example, weight loss is a keyword. So we have to find a keyword which is relevant to what you're promoting and has a low competition. So there is a tool called Google Keyword Planner tool. Maybe you already know, right? So with this tool, I'm going to show you in a moment how to find relevant and low competition keyword. Now here's a quick tip. There are people who will look and try to rank their website and videos for low competition keyword. But I will show you how to find no competition keyword using this Google Keyword Planner tool so that you can rank your websites and videos very quickly in Google and get free traffic and free sales and free commissions as well. Okay. So first find a keyword which is relevant and has no competition. Then find 2 to 3 similar keywords which are hyper relevant to the main keyword you selected. So I will show you how to use these 2 to 3 keywords in the description box. Okay, and you will understand what I mean. And our aim is to like not only get traffic from the main keyword that we have selected, but we also want to get some traffic from these 2 to 3 extra keywords as well. Okay, so guys, now let me do step 2 in front of you so that you can see me doing step 2, and you can do with me while I'm doing step 2 as well. Okay, so guys, this is Google Keyword Tool. Okay, you can go to Google and search something like Keyword Planner Tool. Okay, if you search something like Keyword Planner Tool, then you can go to this page which is owned by Google, and you will reach this page. Okay, this is the Google Keyword Planner Tool. Now in step 2, our aim is to find a keyword which is relevant and has low or no competition, right? Okay, so come here. Let's say we are choosing to promote this affiliate offer, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. So when we read this name of this product itself, we already know it's something about flat belly. It's a weight loss product, but more specifically, it's about losing your stomach fatness, right? So what we can do is go to this Google Keyword Planner tool. Then here in this search, you can type flat belly and click on the enter button. Then Google will show you a list of keywords here which are similar or which are relevant. Okay, which are relevant to this main keyword. So when you find when you look at the name of the product, you will understand what this product is about. Then think of a keyword. If possible, find a keyword from headline like flat belly and just search it here. And instantly Google will give you a list of keywords like flat stomach, like a list of keywords which are relevant to the main keyword you're targeting. Now, you see this competition thing here. Click here once. When you click here once, Google will arrange all these relevant keywords in the order high competition to low competition. So click again. Okay, so when you click first on competition, Google will arrange it as high to low. When you click on the second time, Google will arrange from the least competitive keyword to the highest competitive keyword. So if you want to find a keyword which is relevant and has no competition, then this is how you should do. Now you see like here there's a nil. So what this nil means is like there is no competition. Okay, or the competition is so low that it's almost like nil. Like you can see here it's written low. So this is a low competition keyword, but this one is much more easier to rank because it's a no competition keyword. Okay, so you can see like 10 people are searching. Now you see here it's written United States. So here basically like Google is showing that 10 people searched for this keyword from USA. So from around the world, there could be 30, 40, 50 or even 100 people who are searching for this keyword. And this keyword has no competition. Okay. So for example, okay, wait, let's see. So for example, okay, yeah. So for example, let's say we chose this keyword. Okay. Okay, so for that you have to click here and click on this copy button, then click here, then Control V, paste it here. So 7-day diet plan for flat tummy. So about 10 people from USA is searching for this keyword in Google. Okay. Now my question is 7-day diet plan for a flat tummy a relevant keyword for this offer? Yes, flat tummy, flat belly, right? Now, is this keyword a low or no competition keyword? Yes, it's a no competition keyword. It's not even a low competition keyword, but it's a no competition keyword. And there are a ton of keywords like this, right? If you change these words and play around, you will find much more no competition keywords. Okay, so you can do step 2 this easily. Now let's go to step 3. Okay, oh sorry, I forgot. We had to find 2 to 3 similar keywords, right? So we have found the main keyword, that is 7-day diet plan for flat tummy. Now to find 2 or 3 similar keywords, what you can do is make it like, read this headline and try to come up with other keywords. Okay, for example, 7-day diet plan for stomach. Another word for tummy is stomach, right? So 7-day diet plan for flat stomach, or 7-day easy diet plan for flat tummy. Okay, or 7-day weight loss plan for flat tummy. Okay, so you can like use your own brains and first use this keyword tool and find a main keyword that you're targeting, and then come up with like 2 to 3 similar keywords. Okay, so that's all for step 2. It's easy, right guys? Like, am I teaching you like something like go and climb Mount Everest or something like that? No, right? Like, if you try this method, you can do it with free traffic, free tools, and free methods. And since you're choosing profitable affiliate offers which are having high conversion rate and which will make you like $130 per conversion, like making $500 isn't a big deal. Okay, so a video which is relevant to that keyword and then pitch the affiliate offer you're promoting. Okay, like when you read video, you are like, okay dude, I don't want to make a video, or like many negative thoughts may have came, right? Like, just give me like 1 or 2 more minutes and you will understand like how easy it is to make a video. Okay, so let's say if the keyword is lose weight by dieting, then make the video a tip about dieting and then pitch the offer at the end of the video. Okay, you don't have to like make a video like that I'm making right now, which is like how can we say, like 30 minutes, 50 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hours, something like that. You can just make the video a quick tip about dieting and then pitch the offer at the end of the video. Okay, now the 2 free tools that I promised you is Powtoon, okay, and PowerPoint slides to make the YouTube video. So both are free tools, and in a minute I will show you how to make a high converting video using Powtoon and PowerPoint. Now the video should be between 2 to 7 minutes for best results. Like if your video is like 30 seconds or something, then it's possible like Google, Bing, Yahoo, YouTube, they may not value your video enough to rank them in Google. Like if your video is only like 35 seconds, then when somebody search for your keyword, that is something like this, right? 7-day diet plan for flat tummy. Even though your video is relevant, since it's only 35 seconds, Google will think like your video is not worth showing. Okay. Now at the same time, if your video is too long for this type of affiliate marketing, then maybe people may not be interested, okay, in clicking on the link. Like the sweet spot for this type of affiliate marketing is like 2 to 7 minutes. Okay, so now guys, let me show you how to make now let me do step 3 in front of you so that you can see me doing step 3, and you can do with me while I'm doing step 3 as well. Okay, like while I'm doing 8 steps, you can do with me as well. Like I have a coaching program where I will teach you a step, then I'll do the step in front of you, and then you can do that step with me while I'm doing, and you can like talk with me as well. Like here I am just talking and you are listening, right? But there, like, you can talk with me. If you have a confusion that you came into, then I can quickly help you. Okay, if you're interested, you can email me or comment me, but it's like high ticket offer, so if you're serious, you can try it. Okay, so yeah, step 3, right? So the keyword that we have chosen is 7-day diet plan for flat tummy, right? So just ask yourself, like, when somebody search in Google 7-day diet plan for flat tummy, why do you think he's searching? Yes, he want to come or find a way to lose weight and have a flat tummy. Okay, so if you want to make your video about a tip, then what you need to do is, like, maybe you can come up or find a tip about dieting and specifically about getting a flat tummy. Okay, so if you want to give value to the person who searched this keyword, then it's obvious that you need to make the video a tip about having a flat tummy. Okay, now if you are a weight loss expert, then you can just share your knowledge with the people. But if you're like me, who doesn't have a clue about losing weight, or who are living with a gigantic tummy yourself, then you can just, you can just go to Google and Google this question. Okay, what you can do is, like, okay, uh, dieting tips for flat tummy. You can search something like this. Okay, even though you are not an expert in losing weight, people who are expert have already shared. You can see here the 30 best ways to get a flat tummy. Okay, you can just click on that website and get a quick tip. Okay, your idea is to, like, the person who searched for the keyword that you have chosen, they want to lose weight, right? So you want to give them a quick value and then pitch the affiliate offer. You can give them a quick value and say, like, okay, if you want more, click on the link in the video description and you get this benefit, that is, have a flat tummy. So this is the website, healthline.com/nutrition/get a flat stomach. Perfect, right? Never choose the first tip. Already seen this tip, right? Like, I would recommend you to, like, find a blog post or video from, like, at least 5th page of Google. Okay, and then use it as the quick tip in your video, because this way less people may have seen it. Like, since I'm just showing you this video, and I don't want to spend like 50 hours teaching, right? So because of that, I'm just showing you the first link. But I would recommend you to find a content which is, like, maybe in the 5th or 7th or 10th page of Google, and find a tip. Okay, and even in that thing like this. Okay, so the chances of a person who have came to this page and have read till here is less compared to the first tip. Okay, the 17th tip is more rarer than the first tip, right? But for this example, let's say we chose something like second tip. Okay, but you understand it, for you had to go more deeper. Okay, so eat more fiber, especially soluble fiber. Okay, so you found a tip. Now I'm going to teach you how to use Powtoon and PowerPoint to make the video. Okay, so open your PowerPoint software, or you can go to, like, office.com and get a free PowerPoint software if you don't already have, or you can use your computer built PowerPoint software as well, up to you. Okay, so if you want, you can go to the online version, onedrive.live.com, this one. Okay, now I'm going to teach you, or give you some tips to make a video which is between 2 to 7 minutes and which will convert and make you commissions like crazy. Okay, so okay, it's loading. Yeah, okay, anyway, in the PowerPoint slide, the first slide that you make, you should make sure that the keyword that the person who searched in Google should be there on the first page of your PowerPoint slide. Like, it doesn't have to be the exact way that I have written in this PowerPoint slide, but you have to make sure that somehow, sorry guys, let's close this here. Maybe then now you can see my range is also a bit far. Okay, it's okay. Okay, never mind. Let me just check for a moment if the streaming is going on or not. Okay, nice, it's going on, perfect. Okay, so guys, like, okay, yeah, you have to make sure that in the first page of the PowerPoint slide, the keyword that you are targeting is there. Now the reason is like, let's say a person searched in Google 7-day diet plan for flat tummy. Okay, and after that they saw your video in the first page of Google. They clicked on the video, and the first thing that they should see when they open the video should be the keyword that they have typed. Okay, 7-day diet plan for flat tummy. Okay, so when they see that keyword, they will be like, okay, I think I'm in the right place. Now I understand what I have to do. You understand, right? Like, so because of that, people are more likely to watch your entire video, and this will increase your sales and profits. Okay, so your aim is to somehow make sure that in the first page of the PowerPoint slide, the main keyword is there, but you have to put it in a logical way. Don't put it like just because it's have to be there. Like here you can say, I made it into a question: do you want a 7-day diet plan for flat tummy? So somebody is searching 7-day diet plan for flat tummy. They click on the video and the first thing they see is, do you want a 7-day diet plan for flat tummy? Okay, and the second page should be, then use this tip that I'm sharing in this video right now. It's like an answer where I'm saying to them, okay, then you're going to learn a tip. Okay, and I'm going to share that tip with you in this video. Okay, now this third slide should be at least 2 minutes long. Okay, when you make this PowerPoint slide into a video in Powtoon for free, make sure that this third slide is at least 2 minutes long. Okay, now this is the format. In the third slide, you are going to give the tip, okay, where you aim to build a relationship, have goodwill with the people, and also give value, so that when you ask them to buy the affiliate offer you're promoting, you're more likely to get sales. Okay, so the first thing in the third slide should be, you have to write quick tip to have a flat belly. So here you have to write dream benefit. Okay, so quick tip to have the dream benefit. So if it's quick tip to have a flat belly, quick tip to rank in Google, quick tip to sell in phone, etc., quick tip to sell in webinar, okay, something like that, quick tip to speak comfortably. So you understand, right? So the in the third page, the headline should be quick tip to have benefit. Okay, then after that, the first point that you have to put here is the quick tip. So you remember we found in that Healthline website, eat more fiber, especially soluble fiber, you will have a flatter belly. Okay, so put the tip right there. Okay, then after that, you have to explain why this tip works. What is the scientific reason? What is the logical reason why this tip works? Because if you teach somebody something and they doesn't know why it will work, or why it will why they will get the promised benefit, then they may not value the tip that you gave enough. Okay, but at the same time, if you teach a tip and then explain to them why this tip will give them the promised benefit, then it's almost like they got the promised benefit after they have read the tip. Okay, so they will feel so much value, and they will be in the buying mode, they'll be in the trusting mode. Okay, so this is an example, right? So I'm just giving you the format, but make sure you put a why. Like if you don't know why, then you can go to Google and find why. Okay, then finally you have to give them an example. Okay, here by example, what I mean is like, you have to teach them an example of how they can benefit from this quick tip. Okay, it's not clear how I said, like I will make it clear to you. Okay, okay, for example, here, eat more fiber, especially soluble fiber, you will have a flatter belly, right? Like I didn't research it now, but I know like in banana there is a lot of fiber, right? So after researching, if eating banana will give a flat belly, if that is correct, then in the example part you can say, right, from today onwards, start consuming 2 banana a day if you want a flat belly. Okay, so basically after reading the example, the people shouldn't have to Google and find the answer. They should be like, okay, wow, if I eat 2 bananas, I will lose weight. So they can try and experience the tip. Okay, so if you want to make a ton of commissions, or at least $500, which is 30 minutes of work with free traffic, free tools, and free methods, then in the tip page, that is the third page of the PowerPoint slide, yeah, the headline should be quick tip to have the benefit. Then tell them the quick tip, then explain why this quick tip will give them the promised benefit, and then give them an example that they can experience the tip. Okay, like okay, for example, once upon a time, PBN backlinks, okay, private block network backlinks used to be like a big thing in ranking in Google. Okay, I have tried it personally, and there used to be a website called Rank Experts, if my memory is correct. Okay, so if I'm teaching somebody quick tip to have first page ranking, okay, then I tell them use a public block network backlink to rank quickly. Okay, then why? Then you can explain like the why. That is like those days Google used to value like backlink from high PR website without looking if it's PBN or not. Okay, then example here is you can go to a website called Rank Expert and get a free 2 PBN backlinks. So there the thing is, I taught them a tip, then I explained why the tip works, and then I gave them an example so that they can experience the tip for free. So if you do this, guys, you'll be like printing money. Okay. Okay, then the fourth one, now you have to slowly transition to pitching the affiliate offer. So the first one, you are like telling them like you are in the right place. Do you want this? Okay, then second place, you're saying, okay, there's a quick tip that you can learn which will help you reach this level. Okay, now guys, that's the third slide. Then in the third slide you explain to them the quick tip. Then in the fourth slide you are slowly transitioning from giving value to making them to buy from us. Okay, so what you say is like, now do you want to have a flat belly much more quickly? Okay, so you gave them a tip that is like, for example, eat banana and you'll have a flatter belly, so they already know why it works. Now you're asking them, do you want to have a flat belly much more quickly or much more easily? Okay, then do you want to learn about this ancient Japanese tonic which melts up to 54 pounds of fat? So here's a question, like, use your brains and tell me why I have put this ancient Japanese tonic which melts up to 54 pounds of fat. Like, what's the meaning? What's the idea? What's the framework of this PowerPoint slide? Yes, that's right. What I did is I went to ClickBank and clicked on this link. So in this link, if you click, you will go to the sales page or sales video of the affiliate offer you're promoting. Okay. So as you can see, this is the sales page of this hyper converting affiliate offer, which have a gravity score of 487.26. Okay, this is the insanely converting affiliate offer. Okay, so I'll just put it in mute so that the sound won't be too much. So you can see the ancient Japanese tonic melts 54 pounds of fat. Okay, you see the headline, right? Don't you think I put the exact same headline here? Yes. Now the reason is because I'm trying to pre-frame them to the affiliate offer. So after after giving the people the quick tip, then I'm slowly transitioning to the pitch, right? So I'm saying, now do you want to have a flat belly much more quickly? Then I'm telling them, okay, I'm like in a way introducing them to the headline of the affiliate offer, because the first thing that people will see when they click on your affiliate link or when affiliate link, that is when they reach this page, is the headline, right? In ancient Japanese tonic melts 54 pounds of fat. So I am like pre-framing them here itself so that they are familiar with this affiliate offer. They are like, they'll feel like it's more congruent, they're in the right place. Okay, so this will improve the conversions. Okay, so the second one is, do you want to learn? Then the headline. So your aim is like in the first slide, your aim was to make sure that you put the targeted keyword, right, in a logical way. Now in this PowerPoint slide, your aim is to put the headline of the affiliate offers sales page in a logical way in this slide. That is the fifth slide. So after that, you can just put a basic call to action, like then click on the link in the video description and learn now. Now guys, here's the thing. In this video, you are giving them value. Okay, they trust you, they feel like, wow, I learned something useful. As long as you use this particular framework, headline like this, tip Y example, then after that we already know we are choosing a affiliate offer about flat belly. So you chose a keyword which is relevant. So the keyword is relevant, you are giving value in the video, and you are promoting an insanely converting affiliate offer. So what that means is, like, even though you will get few clicks from Google, that's like maybe 10 people from US are searching, maybe 40 or 50 people from the world are searching, so you will not get like thousands of clicks from this video that you're making. But since the conversion rate is insane, since you're giving value in the video, and since you're choosing a super relevant keyword, which means people who want to lose their belly fat are searching, because of this you will get a very high conversion. So even with few traffic you will get a ton of sales. But I'm going to explain how this will make you $500 per month in a minute. Okay, as soon as step 3 is finished, you will get an idea. Okay, so in the step 3 part, we have made a PowerPoint slide by now, right? The last slide is the call to action. Then click on the link in the video description and learn now. Now our aim is to make this PPT slide into a video.